Move the ramp to the third bay, quickly now.
It's secure, ready for the first group.
Hydration levels are stable across the board.
Core temp on Bull 12 is slightly elevated, but within parameters.
The scan looks good, temperature is stable. Acknowledged. Logging the data now. Excellent, proceed to the next section.
We have a slight elevation on the renal indicators here.
Noted. Let's keep monitoring the hydration levels closely.
Check the thickness here on this one. Yeah, I see it. Logging as grade B minus.
Our automated process begins. Precision is guaranteed.
Levels look consistent with the quality system's parameters. Agreed, everything is stable.
The chemical balance is holding steady at 7.2.
Good. The color saturation is uniform across the batch.
Advanced trimming systems begin the final shaping process. Precision machines refine every edge and surface. Strict quality standards are always maintained.
Let's check this batch.
Recording consistency now.